ADB has recently revised down its fiscal 2025 to 2026 forecast economic growth of Bangladesh for the second time to 4.7% from 5%. Lower forecast reflect weaker than expected export performance and investment uncertainty due to the upcoming national election. A report published by ADB. Financial sector weakness also contribute to the downstream economic movement. Export have been hit not only by the investment uncertainty but also by the supply chain disruption due to a strike that took place at Chittagong port on last October and November. Export grew only 0.62% compared to the previous economic year when it was 8 to 9%. That is a awful sign for the overall economic progress of Bangladesh.